Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you some unexpected things that you can use on raw polymer clay. Please watch the whole video and tell me which ones are you going to try. First item on the list is lace. Many of you might already used lace on polymer clay to transfer the pattern, but what if I told you you can leave the lace on polymer clay and bake the clay with the lace? I made a mug tutorial several months ago and I used this lace on white clay and used it as doll's skirt. I also will quickly make an earring using this lace. First you should cut the shape you want, then cut a piece of lace that you need. You can just push the lace in the clay with your rolling pin and put extra attention to the edges and then bake the piece. After it baked and cooled down, cut the extra fabric around the edges and that's it. So simple. Second item on the list is washi tape. Washi tapes are great for everything. They come in different patterns and sizes and they are pretty much heat and waterproof. I did a witch tutorial for Halloween and I used washi tape for the skirt. Now with this beautiful sparkly golden tape, I'm going to make Christmas earrings. Just cut the shape you want and use the washi tape to decorate it. Then bake the clay as you normally do. Then cut the extra tape around the edges and here is the final result. You can put resin or some sort of sealer to seal your piece. Third item I want to talk about is rhinestone. Rhinestones are great, especially on polymer clay. Who doesn't like some extra bling? I use them in so many projects as buttons or decorations. The thing you should really pay attention when using rhinestones is that they should be made out of glass. The flimsy plasticky ones will lose their shine when you put them in the oven. But the ones out of glass will stay exactly the same. I used them on this pretty Christmas tree as the decoration. Another unexpected item on my list is wrapping paper. Many of you might know this technique from my previous tutorial, but for those few who are new to my channel, I will leave the link in the description box and you can see how to transfer the wrapping paper onto your polymer clay. Another great option to use is nail foil. Nail foils come in different colors and patterns and you can easily use them on polymer clay. I made these pieces using my nail foils and I will put the full tutorial in the description box. Another item on my list is paper napkin. This is a great way to make some jewelry with exciting patterns. I did another full tutorial on this a month ago and I put the link to the tutorial in the description box. Another great option to jazz up your projects are glitter flakes and deco confetti. At least this is what it's written on the package. These are those plasticky shiny stuff that you can find in any craft store. They come in plenty shapes and colors, and be careful, if you spill them you can't get rid of them. I used the star ones on the skirt for this project and I love the effect and the result. They won't lose their shine in the oven and you can use them in different ways. They also come in little bottles and are advertised as nail decorations. Basically, you can use all these tiny stuff for nail decorations also on the clay. The 8th item on the list is craft cord. They are basically these dotted shiny cords that can be in different colors. I have them both in silver and gold. I use them in this project to make details on the back of the dress, and in this other project I used it to decorate around the eye area for this mask. Here I use it to decorate this Christmas tree that can be an earring. I just push it into the clay and here is the final result after the bake. The next items that I bet you didn't know about are iron-on rhinestone transfers. You should take each one off and place them on the polymer clay. On this earring I want to make a cactus using my iron-on transfer, and I use the craft cord around the edges. As you can see, glass rhinestones and iron-on rhinestones don't lose their shine after the bake. I just want to quickly show you that how the plastic rhinestones or sticker rhinestones lose their shine after the bake. Here you can see how they lost their shine and shape. But one way to restore some shine back is by using clear nail polish. It can definitely help, but it won't be the same. So I strongly recommend using glass or iron-on rhinestones. The final item on my list is plastic pearl needle. You can also use pearl on polymer clay, but these needles I use on my mugs to make umbrella or as knitting needles, and they make your projects more interesting. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my future videos. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.